Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you a withdrawal proof of the one website pay me much more coin, and I shared the withdrawal proof of this website much more times, and this website is 100% free and a 100% working website. Okay, this is the website. Now you can see I have 30,000 coin I have in my balance. Okay, and I just show you how much I withdraw from this website. Okay, and this website paid this all cryptocurrency you want. Any cryptocurrency you want, you can withdraw your free earning. Just I want to withdraw Litecoin, and if you want, you can withdraw any cryptocurrency you want. Okay, this belongs to you. And just I share with you the withdrawal story of the website. I withdraw much more times. Just yesterday I make this much coin, and 6 days ago I make this much coin, and 1 week ago just I make this much coin, and the highest price right now I have. Just I go to withdraw. Just I want to withdraw this all amount just with any cryptocurrency you want, you can withdraw. I go to my Faucet page to show you. I have Dogemate this much. This is the Dogecoin. This is the Litecoin. I want to withdraw like Litecoin because I need Litecoin. About that I withdraw it like Litecoin. Okay, this is the Litecoin. Just I click withdraw and wait few seconds. Okay, I want to withdraw on my Faucet page. Just I click my Faucet pay. Okay, no fees cut it. Okay, the minimum withdrawal of the Litecoin is this much. I have this much amount of this much Litecoin. This will be pay me. Just I click withdraw and I wait few seconds. Okay, your payment request under verification. You will be sent to wallet address, and check here. Okay, right now just in Faucet pay it's pending. After 24 hours I get my withdrawal. Okay, because this is very high amount of withdrawal. If I reach in this much or this much, this will be instantly pay me, and this is the highest amount. After 24 hours I get my withdrawal. Okay, this is 100% free website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is 100% free websites. Okay, bye bye for now.